1435, February 6, 2025. Right now marks 650 hours of progress on the Global Harbor simulation. Currently, more has been read about DirectX 12, however, it is not entirely understood how it all works, although enough is known to figure out how to get the code to run, which is the important thing and marks a shift in direction, whereas the goal now is to get code to work rather than understanding why it works, as it has been determined that there is so much code that trying to understand it all within the space of a few days is not really feasible, although getting the code to run is feasible. So the intention for the next hour is to start an entirely different project on creating a physics engine with Vulkan. Vulkan is not entirely a mystery, as some projects have been made in the past over a couple months. Basic projects though, such as a Vulkan renderer written entirely in C, a circle drawing algorithm that displays a circle or a wireframe circle with Vulkan, as well as a Pong and Snake game project, or two projects, which featured a basic game loop, although those projects were 2D and single-threaded and not really utilizing the hardware or advanced techniques. The intention with the physics engine is to follow a guide. As with most physics engine tutorials, the renderer is abstracted, so the goal isn't really to learn Vulkan or relearn, but the goal is to learn and follow the physics engine guide that teaches how to make a 3D physics engine with an abstracted renderer, although the physics engine itself is built bit by bit using math functions and basic data structures. So that is the goal for the next hour, to set up that project, although the expectation is that it will not be working for a couple hours, as everything needs to be linked properly.